Coronavirus has certainly shaken the entire world. Almost everything has been put on halt. Most of the countries are on the verge of recession. India won't be any different. However, one day we will have the vaccine and things will move back to the track. But one thing is for sure, we are going to remember this event for the rest of our life. Now the question is, what is the future of various sectors in India during and post-corona event? While such pandemics create huge dent in the economy, there are few upsides. In this video, I have analyzed the impact of coronavirus on various industries in India. I have divided this list in 3 categories. The first category includes the sectors that will be badly impacted due to COVID-19. Second category includes sectors that will continue to do well. And third category includes those sectors that will flourish during and post COVID-19. First sector in this category is aviation. Aviation is a heavy investment and low margin business and is completely shut down. There are already salary cuts and layoff in this sector. In the future, people would like to work from home and avoid travel. This would severely impact this business for a long duration. Next sector in this list is hospitality and tourism. Once a booming sector, both hospitality and tourism are one of the biggest sufferers of this pandemic. People would avoid leisure travel until the situation is in complete control, and it would badly impact the hotel and tourism business in India. As we speak, Indian hotel and tourism sector is staring at a potential job loss of 38 million people, which is almost 70% of its total workforce. Next sector in this list is event and entertainment. Rupees 183 billion Indian film industry is going through its worst phase due to this pandemic. Besides the 10 million people it employs directly, the event and entertainment industry gives indirect jobs to another 50 million people through elite sectors like food and beverages, hospitality, tourism, marketing and advertising agencies. A lot of movie release has been postponed and movie theaters are all empty. People would follow social distancing and avoid movie halls for a long time. Next sector in this category is infrastructure. This labor-intensive sector is facing a serious problem due to COVID-19. Most of the construction projects are on hold. Another challenge for infrastructure sector would be the availability of labor as they have moved back to their villages and would be scared to come back. Next sector is fashion, jewelry and leather goods. With fear of job loss and slowdown in economy, people would like to keep cash and avoid fancy purchases. This sector is going to take some time to recover post-corona. Next in this list is automobile sector. This pandemic would create a big hole in the pocket and people would avoid unnecessary spending. Those who were planning to upgrade their cars have already postponed their plan. However, if people would follow social distancing, they would like to use their own vehicle and this could result in increase in demand. But for now, this sector is looking in bad shape. Next sector is real estate. This sector was already facing poor demand for few years and inventories were getting piled up. And coronavirus has made the situation even worse. With companies adapting the new work from home culture, the commercial real estate would be the worst affected sector. Final sector in this list is banks and NBFCs. Both the sectors have been crippled due to COVID-19. Banking sector is facing an unprecedented problem of bad loans. With rising unemployment, people would continue to miss their EMIs and this would create more NPAs. The coming few quarters are going to be the most difficult phase of banks and NBFCs. Some might even struggle to sustain. First category in this list is FMCG. People would continue to buy the essentials like groceries, soap, toothpaste, etc. In fact, due to this pandemic, people are staying at home and this has increased the consumption of groceries. Although there are supply chain challenges in this sector, the increased demand for essential items would continue to boost the sale of FMCG companies. Next company in this category is pharmaceutical. The Indian pharmaceutical industry is the world's third largest drug producer by volume and manufactures 60% of the vaccine globally. Medicine is a basic requirement and now people would take extra precaution. Overall, pharma will continue to do well. Next sector in this category is healthcare. Healthcare companies are working with the government to provide support for testing kit, deploying equipment and staff for the hospital. Moreover, after this event, people will become more careful with their health and regular health checkups would be common. Overall, this sector might face some initial hiccups, but long-term growth potential looks promising. Next sector is consumer durable. Items like mobile, AC, fridge, TV are basic requirement and people will continue to buy them. There could be slight fall in the short term, but this sector would continue to do well in the future. Next sector is IT. When people would continue to work from home, people would need IT support in the form of video conferencing, screen sharing, website development, software usage, etc. Moreover, business have realized the importance of digital media and they would continue to strengthen their IT system. Some of the trends like digitization, cloud computing, automation, machine learning, analytics would continue to grow. Next sector is insurance. Be it life insurance, medical insurance or general insurance, this sector is underpenetrated in India and has got a bright future. Final sector in this list is brewery. Recently, I was shocked to see a few kilometer long line outside the liquor shops. People were waiting patiently on a hot summer day, and that's when I realized that this sector has got a bright future. First sector in this category is online education and training. Just like digital payment company got advantage due to demonetization, online education and training has got advantage due to this pandemic. Almost every school and coaching institute has now moved to online education, and this is just the beginning of online education in India. Next sector in this list is home delivery. Now that people are following social distancing and avoiding travel, this sector has got a huge demand. Be it food delivery or essentials, this sector is adding a lot of value in our life. And the demand for home delivery would continue to increase in future as well. Next sector is personal health and hygiene. One habit this pandemic would change is the attitude towards personal health and hygiene. People would take extra care of their health and demand for products like sanitizers and hand washes would continue to increase. Next industry in this list is e-commerce. This sector has already seen a humongous growth in past few years, but COVID-19 has even fueled it. Those who are still doing the traditional business could feel the heat. Those who are in e-commerce would continue to flourish. Next sector is digital media. One more habit this pandemic is changing is the consumption of digital media. Be it online content providers or social media, people are getting hooked to digital media. As we inch more towards the digital world, this sector would continue to see multifold growth. Now the final sector in this list is telecom. From 2G to 4G, we have seen the transformation of telecom industry in India. Today, data consumption is as important as air, water and food. We can't even imagine our life without internet. Telecom is the basic infrastructure provider for digital media and hence this sector would continue to grow. There is already a huge demand due to COVID-19 and this sector would continue to flourish in future as well. While everyone was considering that the future could be digital, this pandemic has confirmed that future is digital and it is happening now. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you want more interesting content in the future, do subscribe to my channel.